Hello dear friends. We welcome you again to our channel, which specializes in displaying and reviewing amazing technological products. We are excited to present to you a new video that takes you on an exciting journey exploring the latest technological innovations that make our lives easier and more enjoyable. Join us and get ready to explore the wonderful world of technology. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus is an advanced robotic vacuum cleaner designed and manufactured by iRobot Corporation. With cutting-edge technology and innovative features, the Roomba i7 Plus aims to simplify and automate the task of home cleaning. This report provides a detailed overview of the Roomba i7 Plus and its key features, including its design mapping and navigation capabilities, cleaning performance, smart home integration and maintenance. Design. The Roomba i7 Plus features a compact and sleek design, measuring approximately 13.34 inches in diameter and 3.63 inches in height. Its round shape and low profile allow it to access hard-to-reach areas, such as under furniture. The top of the vacuum includes a large clean button, indicator lights, and a removable dustbin. It also comes with a self-emptying base, known as the Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal, which holds debris from multiple cleaning sessions. Mapping and navigation. The Roomba i7 Plus utilizes iRobot's proprietary iAdapt 3.0 navigation system, which combines a suite of sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms to efficiently navigate and map your home. Using VSLAM, Visual Simultaneous Localization and Mapping, technology, the Roomba i7 Plus creates a detailed map of the cleaning area, allowing it to intelligently navigate and clean in straight, efficient lines. The robot also features Imprint Smart Mapping, which enables users to designate specific rooms or areas for targeted cleaning. Cleaning performance. Equipped with dual multi-surface rubber brushes and a high-efficiency filter, the Roomba i7 Plus delivers excellent cleaning performance on various floor types, including hardwood, tile, and carpet. The brushes are designed to adjust and flex, ensuring effective agitation and pickup of dirt, dust, and pet hair. The vacuum's powerful suction enables it to capture fine particles and larger debris with ease. The i7 Plus also offers a high-capacity dustbin, reducing the frequency of emptying. Smart home integration. The Roomba i7 Plus is compatible with voice control systems like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing users to initiate cleaning commands using simple voice commands. It can also be controlled and scheduled through the iRobot Home app, which provides users with remote access and control over their Roomba i7 Plus from anywhere. The app also offers additional features like cleaning history, customized cleaning preferences, and maintenance alerts. Imprint Link technology. The Roomba i7 Plus is part of iRobot's Imprint Smart Mapping ecosystem, which includes the Braava Jet M6 robot mop. With Imprint Link technology, the Roomba i7 Plus can communicate with the Braava Jet M6, enabling a seamless cleaning experience. Once the Roomba i7 Plus completes its vacuuming, it can signal the Braava Jet M6 to start mopping, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning routine. Maintenance and self-emptying. One of the standout features of the Roomba i7 Plus is its self-emptying capability. The Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal, included with the vacuum, automatically empties the Roomba's bin into a bagged compartment, holding up to 30 bins of dirt. This feature eliminates the need for frequent manual emptying and helps maintain optimal cleaning performance. The clean base also acts as a charging station for the Roomba i7 Plus. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus offers a range of advanced features and technologies that make it an exceptional robotic vacuum cleaner. From its intelligent mapping and navigation capabilities to its powerful cleaning performance and smart home integration, the Roomba i7 Plus provides a convenient and efficient cleaning solution for homeowners. With its self-emptying feature, the Roomba i7 Plus further reduces the maintenance required, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a hassle-free cleaning experience.